structure.
Turn the lights on.
Hey guys, welcome back to my beautiful channel. Today we're doing an update on my slick back ponytail, which this is not it because I did try doing another tutorial, but like that wasn't working out. So I thought about it and I'm like, I don't have time to spare, so we're just gonna get into it. Bedhead, alright, this is what we're dealing with. Okay, so what we're gonna do is try it a different way. So of course, spritz, tie back your hair. So, I mean, you could do it high ponytail, but I like mine to go. Okay, because you're gonna take it out again. Now with your comb, I mean, alright, my line is kind of there, but we're just gonna. That's gonna have to do. You're gonna grab gel. Grab out, like, if you have bangs, it's better to like grab them out and then brush them down like this. No, my hair is not like this. It's clearly not. You can grab them out too like this, but leave it in a ponytail. Side. Pull it out if you need to. That little turn. And brush things down. I'm gonna pay attention to the back. Things down. Thought I had to hold my shirt. Thumbnail. Wave brush. See all the difference. This is not me doing my edges. This is me brushing it down. Structure. And voila, Jordan with your hair. You used to be my cup of tea, but now I drink coffee. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Check you out.